Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to join a MAC and domain. Start by verifying DNS resolves your domain controller and that the MAC uses the correct time source. Open System Settings, then go to Users and Groups and Network to confirm connectivity. Gather admin credentials and domain join details before proceeding. I will walk through binding, configuring home directory options, and testing login to confirm successful domain integration. In this video, I will show how to join a MAC and domain. First, backup important data and confirm network connectivity to the domain controller using ping and ENS-lookup. Verify the MAC's DNS points to the domain DNS and configure NTP for time sync. Create or confirm a domain account with join privileges. I will then demonstrate binding the MAC to the directory, configuring login options, and validating user authentication. In this video, I will show how to join a MAC and domain. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for setting timers, asking quick troubleshooting questions, and playing tutorial audio while you follow steps. It fits neatly on a desk and makes multitasking easier when configuring systems. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to join a MAC and domain. Use system settings to add the directory server or run the dsconfig command for more control, entering the domain and admin credentials. Configure mobile accounts for offline logins and map home directories to the desired network path. Finally, reboot and log in as a domain user to confirm authentication, home folder creation, and access to shared resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.